keynote area. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Huawei Innovative Data. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Huawei Innovative Data Infrastructure Forum 2025. The keynote speech will begin soon. Please unmute to the keynote area. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Huawei Innovative Data Infrastructure Forum 2025. The keynote speech will begin soon. Please unmute to the keynote area. Thank you.
Was mich da interessiert, ist ein riesiger Laptop. So what do you have here? Can you show us this very big laptop?
Sure, it's a super laptop.
Hier open it, and it has 3 displays. Es hat 3 Displays. So, jetzt muss ich leider das Interview in Englisch führen, weil der Herr natürlich Englisch und Chinesisch spricht und kein Deutsch. So what is your name and your company?
Yeah, my name is Evan and I'm from Beijing Linkvalue.
Oh, Beijing.
Yes.
That's right.
And this is our latest product.
And you are the producer of this laptop?
Sure, I am.
It is designed in Beijing.
In Beijing.
And it is manufactured where?
Oh, our company office in Beijing, but the product is manufactured in another city nearby Beijing.
Oh, in here, 200 kilometers outside of Beijing,
yes, you're right.
It? Okay, so let's see, it's a very unusual laptop.
So it's it has 3 screens because in some applications, the commander, they cannot they have to have all the information on the screen. So one is not enough. They have to see the videos, they have to see where the people or the cars are, and they also want to see some information on the third one. So we made these 3 screen laptops.
And so, what is the main reason? Of course, I would work with this laptop right away because it's a little heavy, for example, but 3 monitors are great. But what are your customers mainly for this laptop?
Oh, they are all governors or militaries or firefighters. Usually, this is for the commander to cooperate and command in the rescue field.
Oh yes, Feuerwehr in German, yes, fire rescue.
Yes.
Okay, and it's a very strong laptop, isn't it?
Yes, it is module designed, so you can pick up different module to cooperate with the main module. So at this time we bring 2 to work together. This one is the battery module, and this
battery.
Battery.
A big battery.
You are right.
Because the monitors also need power and the CPUs, I guess.
Yes, and in the field, sometimes the power is cut off, and you have to use the battery for long operation.
Yeah. So, if there is a crisis, it's probably hard to get electric current.
You are right.
I see. Okay.
And this one is the video conferencing terminal. So in that kind of case, when you have a video conference in the office, and then you can use this module to have a video conference with them. So this kind of laptop can connect the field terminals with the office conference terminal. They can have mixed the conference together.
I see. Okay.
Yes. In some of the case, we also provide a module inside the AI GPU.
In the conferencing unit?
Yes.
AI, and what does it do?
The module, inside the module, there is an NVIDIA GPU. And then you can tell the AI to watch the cameras for you. For example, in the field, there are hundreds of cameras. For the commander, they cannot look at all the cameras at the same time. In that kind of case, you can tell the AI to watch the camera for you. If there was someone appeared, you alert me. If there is a fire, you alert me. If there is a car accident, you alert me. So you just give the task to the AI, then you can focus on the other works.
So what kind of AI CPU do you use?
Now the GPU.
The GPU, oh, it's
Yes.
graphical.
Usually we will use NVIDIA GPU. NVIDIA GPU.
NVIDIA.
Yes.
Oh, NVIDIA. The big NVIDIA from the Republic of China, from the
Oh,
no, not the People's yeah,
the
Taiwan. From
yes.
Taiwan.
NVIDIA can sell the GPU to China,
Yeah.
but not the most powerful one.
I see. So not the 50, 90 or whatever it is.
Yes.
No, they're even more powerful than the 50.
Yes, they have the small one, and we can have the NVIDIA GPU inside, and you can do a lot of things by the AI.
And this is no problem to get the normal
Yes,
NVIDIA cards
we have.
in Beijing.
Yes, you're right.
I see.
Not the latest one, but the normal one.
But it is good enough for your use case here, I guess?
Sure, because in this kind of case, it's not that many cameras. It's good enough for the small one.
So which NVIDIA model do you use here?
A40.
Oh,
A40.
A40.
Yes.
A40.
A40. I think that is a kind of special mode for the Chinese market right now.
I see. Okay. You have never heard. I see. Okay.
A40.
Yeah. Okay. And then we have the laptop itself.
Sorry?
And then we have the laptop itself here.
Yeah.
Can you say something about it?
So we let me show you how we dispatch the laptop. So
Okay. It sticks together in one unit
yes.
for So just a second, I think from the other side I get it better from this side. Yes.
So see, you can take it away.
This is the main laptop.
Yes.
I see. Okay. And does it work for itself also? Does it have an own battery?
Yes, it have own battery inside.
I see. Okay. Could you sell me this laptop into Germany if I say I want to buy it?
Sure, of course.
You can.
You can. It's a single product.
Do you have a price in euro roughly? What would it cost, the upper part?
It's around 60,000 US dollar to 80,000 US dollar.
60,000.
Oh, sorry.
6,000
6,000 to 8,000 US dollar.
Oh, okay. One can think about it if one really needs it. Okay. And what CPU does it have then?
Oh, I think it's Intel CPU.
Intel CPU.
Yes.
But did you say that you have two CPUs in it?
Yes, in this main module, we have two computers inside. That means you can have two CPU and you can have two OS. One is for the server and one is for the application.
So.
Because in some case, in the field, there are no power and no network. So you have to run the machine independently. So you cannot connect it to the cloud. So you have to have the server inside. And you run the server inside and run the application in the Windows PC computer. Then it works independently.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what software? So the software is the customer. The customer decides which software he uses, or do you also sell software?
We also supply the dispatching software if the customer they don't have.
Yeah. Okay.
If customer have their own software, they can use their own. Just install on the Windows.
Oh, they can use Windows 11,
Windows 11, yes.
Linux, or whatever.
Yes, that depends on them.
On them, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just two Intel processors, and the customer decides what he does do with it.
Yes, you are right.
And how far is China with their own CPUs? I heard
Okay.
that Huawei,
Yes.
that they are working, and in this political situation that we have now, it's probably a very smart idea to develop your own CPUs. What is your stand?
I think Huawei has already have their own CPU.
Yes,
And many Chinese companies, they are also developing Chinese CPU right now.
Okay.
So it's a good opportunity for Chinese company to develop their own CPU, the Chinese CPU.
Yeah.
And the government is also encourage Chinese company to develop their own CPU. So for example, this one, we also have a Chinese CPU version.
Oh,
In China, you can pick up that kind of version.
And at the moment, are they not so strong like the Intel CPUs?
No, they are, yes, Intel is still very good.
Okay.
Chinese CPU is not that strong like Intel, but we're catching up.
Yeah, like everything in China, yes. The speed is high speed, yeah?
We are trying our best to
Yeah.
make sure we don't have weakness.
And what about AMD CPUs?
I think it is also popular in China.
But
it-
you do not use them here.
Not yet.
Not yet. You are open.
Yes, because this kind of product is not that popular, not consumer market.
Yes, and nobody asks you for AMD CPUs.
Not yet.
It's not yet for the gamers,
Yes.
but it could be, I guess. Huh?
Maybe in the future. Maybe
Yes.
in the future.
I see. Okay. And can one only buy it in China, or are you just at the edge of going to the rest of the world?
Wow, this is my first time to go together with Huawei to exhibit our product in Europe. Actually, we are manufacturers
So today is your first day with your product in Europe?
in Europe. Yes,
Oh, so I came at the right moment, huh?
you are lucky today. And we are going to find some partners here to
Oh, you
work
do?
together to sell our product.
Oh, I'll send you some friends or distributors of mine, yeah, later at the dinner, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
I think our product is very strong,
Yeah.
especially for the rescue field, for the disaster situation.
Disaster, yeah.
Yes, we sold this kind of laptop in China around 500 units last year. So I think it's also have the opportunity in the global market.
Yes, unfortunately, crises are coming more and more. The war.
Yes, all right.
Good for your laptop, but it would be nicer if we wouldn't have them out, but we do
I think
have
so.
them.
Yes, if they have, they can
Yes.
rescue more, and the people will not suffer that much.
Do you have some examples on this big screen where you can show something?
Okay. This is a commanding and dispatching platform. And on this map, you can see all the terminals, peoples, cameras, and the drones on the map. And you can talk with them, chat with them, and see the video they capture.
But this is Munich. If you just can, this is where the horses do. Ah, wow! How interesting! It follows my fingers. Oh, this is this. How do they call the flip board?
Flipboard,
Huawei.
yeah.
This is a Huawei product.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay, so it is Chinese, but we are in Munich here.
So
Okay.
we can plot a Zoom here,
Yes.
and we can talk to the people in the Zoom, or tell them go to the safe Zoom. And we also can see this is the car, and we can see the details about the car.
But this is not the situation. This is just an example. This is not the situation in Munich now, no?
In China, we can control all the equipment in the car. We can open it. We can switch on the screen. So we can control it in China. see here, you can ask AI to help you. Something like this. You can tell AI if there is a traffic accident, alert me. If there is a flood water or is there a fire, and the AI will tell you, whoa, there's a fire on this camera. So you don't need to watch the camera a long time.
So the laptop knows if this is a fire or an accident.
Yes.
Something.
Yes. You're right. And here the people who take the pictures, and we can see them who and where take the pictures is. So see here, we have two pictures here.
Wow.
And also we can.
Google Map?
It's Google Map.
Google Map, yeah.
Google Map. And we can also have individual one-on-one calls, in voice call or video call, and we can also have group call.
Okay.
In this kind of group call, it's not just people with people. We can add in the terminals. So because something like 4 people and 4 cameras, and we can discuss what happens in the cameras. And anyone, or they can share their desktop to the others, so we can discuss in the same group to make decisions. So this is used for the group working.
And you already told us how long would this laptop work if it is fully loaded?
This one can work for 2 hours because it have 2 computers.
Yes.
But if you have the battery unit, then you can have 4 hours plus.
Plus.
Yes. And you can have 2 battery modules.
Oh.
Then you have 8 and 2 hours, 10 hours. 2 hours, 4 hours, and another 4 hours.
10 hours.
Yes.
If I'm right in mathematics.
You're right.
Where does this software come from? Is it a Chinese software?
Yes, a Chinese software.
But you could sell it to the rest of the world if you want to?
Yes, I think so. It's okay. It's okay.
And your typical customers are so far in China, I guess?
I think it's government.
Government.
Right. Government and
cities also?
Yes, and all the the national companies, just like the electricity power companies, mining companies, something like that. They have a lot of terminals outside. They have this kind of dispatch system.
So what is your next country? Do you already know which will be your next step with Huawei probably?
One of Huawei, the Huawei guys told me Nigeria, they will order 20 of this.
Nigeria?
Nigeria. Yes.
Oh, how interesting. Okay.
And they will order 20 of these terminals. 20
you already have ordered?
Yes, we already.
In Nigeria?
Nigeria.
Oh, yeah. So you are already in the international business.
That's why Huawei invite us to join this exhibition. Because they saw there's an opportunity for this kind of laptop.
Yeah, I can easily imagine that we have the same problems in Germany. Floods, fires, congestions, accidents. Yes.
Yes.
You have already lost your badge, or can you hold it into the camera and just say your name again?
Evan.
Evan?
Yes.
Evan Yu.
Evan Yu. And
so Evan is your first name?
Yes, you're right.
And Yu is your family name?
Yes, Yu is my family name.
And your company is also here? Yes.
Yes, Beijing Linkvalue.
Tech Company Limited.
Yes.
Okay. Very interesting. Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Evan.
sir. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Buonasera, sono Tony Zhou, CEO di Huawei Germania. Oggi ci riuniamo a Monaco per assistere insieme a una festa della tecnologia e della saggezza. Sayın misafirler, arkadaşlar, iyi akşamlar. Ben Tony Zhou, Huawei Almanya'nın CEO'suyum. Bugün Münken'de toplandık. invitados y amigos, buenas noches. Soy Zhou, CEO de Huawei Alemania. Hoy nos reunimos en Múnich para presenciar juntos una fiesta de la tecnología y la sabiduría. Good evening, distinguished guests and friends. I am Zhou, CEO of Huawei Germany. Today, we have gathered here in Munich to witness a feast of technology and wisdom. We are deeply grateful to the world's top technology pioneers and industry leaders for joining us on this remarkable journey of AI innovation as we explore the future of data awakening and storage technologies. We are even more thrilled by the inspiring insights shared by our partners and the brilliant launch of the Already data infrastructure, the Ocean Store series. Now, let's raise our glasses to the friendships we're building, to the partnerships we're deepening, and to every incredible possibility AI will unlock for our world. Jetzt laden wir den einen und einzigen Tommy auf die Bühne.